Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about ASO, how to rank your app in Play Store. Whether you are a beginner or an expert in this field, we have got something for you. We will be sharing some tips and tricks, providing valuable insights and answering some frequently asked questions. We have done our research and compiled the most up-to-date information to ensure that you get the most out of this video. So sit back, relax and let's get started the video. The first topic is difference between SEO and ASO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and ASO stands for Appstore Search Optimization. What is ASO? ASO is focused on optimizing a website's content to rank higher in search engine results pages, while ASO is focused on optimizing mobile apps to rank higher in App Store search results. The strategies to use in each technique differ due to different platforms and purposes. SEO is also a part of ASO. We'll talk about SEO in our next videos in detail. So let's move on our next topic. What is the role of ASO in Google Play Store? ASO is the process of optimizing mobile apps to rank higher in the App Store search results in Google Play Store and App Store. ASO plays a vital role in increasing visibility, organic downloads, and user engagement for mobile apps. With millions of apps available on platform, ASO is essential for developers to ensure that the apps stand out from the code and attract more organic downloads. Our next topic is what are the major factors in ASO to rank an app. The first one is keyword search, then title, description, short description, screenshots, icons, ratings and reviews. We will explain our each topic in detail in our next videos. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we will be happy to address them. Thank you for watching video. We will see you in the next video.